Inventors, business owners, and entrepreneurs, welcome to our page here at Fresno, California, our location. We're excited to share our top 5 inventor resources for you right here in this great city. I'm JD Houvener, the owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, and it's my honor to be able to share these resources with you that are Fresno specific and help you get launched, get started, get a leg up over the competition. I know I've heard over years and years of helping inventors now for 11 years, and their stories about how it can feel really lonely and like you're on your own on this adventure to change the world. These organizations that I'm going to list in the video are here to do just the opposite, here to help you give a hand up, join, collaborate, network, and get opportunities to grow and fund your company. So let's go get started with number 1, Bitwise Industries. Bitwise is a technology ecosystem that focuses on activating human potential through technical education and workforce development. So if you don't necessarily have all of your resources in terms of your technical know-how about your product or invention, they have places to go get education, boot camps, apprenticeship programs, and even co-working spaces to go network with other people that may be also starting new companies to learn from what they're doing. You get access to other individuals in different technology areas to learn what they're up to find out how they're breaking through and getting to their customers. A notable startup that just came out of Bitwise is Shift3 Technologies. It's a custom software development company that emerged from Bitwise's ecosystem, providing digital solutions for various industries. All right, number 2, Fresno State's Lyle Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. The Lyle Center is part of the California State University system, and it's a hub for entrepreneurial education and innovation. So because it's supported by the university, it's probably free. So this is an awesome resource for you to go check out, get some free tools, understand what some of those students might be up to. And what's cool is even if you're not a student, you can leverage the student's interest in doing research. Many times, especially post-doc or even master's level students are interested in doing research that might help your product. There are wonderful ways to license your patent pending or your granted patent to a university to help flesh it out, bring out or validate what it is you're trying to prove in the market. So lean on universities and maybe check out Fresno State's Lyle Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship as a really wonderful way for you to go in and get started. A notable startup that just came up is Fresgo, a civic engagement program developed to streamline communication between citizens and local government. So check out Fresgo. All right, number 3 is the Central Valley Business Incubator, the CVBI, Central Valley Business Incubator. An incubator is a place where a startup, a brand new company, maybe you've got one with your innovation, can join in, apply, and get part of a group of other startups. And they get a lot of mentoring, advice, and support, and sometimes funding investment from the company or the organization that puts it on. And so they'll kind of nurture you, make sure you grow inside this incubator, and then you can go leave, right? With the idea that you'll get funded, be backed, supported by this incubator, so you can launch successfully into the market and survive well on your own. A company that just came out of the CVBI is On Farm Systems. It's an ag tech company that offers data management solutions to optimize farm operations and productivity. So number 4 is the Fresno Metro Black Chamber of Commerce. This is the FMBCC. It empowers Black entrepreneurs and small business owners through advocacy, education, and access to resources. So check that out if that applies to you. An awesome startup that just came out of there is Black Girl Magic Museum. It's an interactive exhibit celebrating the achievements and contributions of Black women, fostering cultural awareness and entrepreneurship. So check out Black Girl Magic Museum. She got her launch at the Fresno Metro Black Chamber of Commerce. Okay, 5, last but not least, is the Downtown Fresno Partnership. This is an organization aiming to revitalize the downtown. I think a lot of people with COVID, or we went out 4 or 5 years ago, we lost touch with these central downtown locations, and we started doing everything virtually from our home office. Well, the Downtown Fresno Partnership is putting together local businesses, attracting ventures, getting people more in-person event coordinating downtown. Meeting in person, we all know there's nothing like that. And so sparking those opportunities to meet, shake hands, introduce yourself, maybe even pitch your business plan to seek investment. The Downtown Fresno Partnership is there to help you. So check out that resource as well. A startup that did use the Downtown Friendship recently is Root General. Root General is a lifestyle boutique and coffee shop. It's become a staple in downtown Fresno, contributing to the area's cultural and economic resurgence. So go get a cup of coffee down there at Root and see who else might be down there. You just never know who you might meet. So I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents. If you have any questions about patents, trademarks, intellectual property, Bold Patents stands ready to help you right here in Fresno, California. Stand by your side, explore what might be potentially patentable, get the research done, and file it. We're here to help. Take care, everybody. Have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.